Welcome, and today we're going to be making Chef Carlo Cracco's spaghetti Italian dish. Stop so close.
Ciao, bentrovati a tutti. Oggi facciamo la pasta al pomodoro, spaghetti al pomodoro.
So this is all Italian that he's speaking, but I turned the subtitle on so I can understand it. This is a simple dish that we're making today, and I think it's going to turn out good. I was thinking the same thing. So now we're boiling the water for the spaghetti. He uses fried cherry tomatoes.
Avete dei datterini, ma poi sbruciacchiare in una pentola.
But unfortunately, we don't have that today. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into the pan to get started. This is passata tomato sauce. Now this is basically strained tomatoes, so it's not the regular spaghetti sauce like ragu that you would get like in the store or something.
Andiamo a mettere un po' di aglio, uno spicchio o 2 in camicia.
He says to add a little garlic, so we're gonna add 2 cloves. Let's just crush this one to get the skin off. And he does not cut them, so don't cut them. So we're gonna get some basil and toss it into the pan.
Lo mettiamo intero.
Chef Carlo Cracco said to put it in whole because it's easier to take out of the sauce whole. This is already smelling and looking good.
Facciamo ridurre, deve diventare la metà.
So we're gonna reduce the strained tomatoes to about half of what it was when we poured the bottle in, and that'll take about 15 minutes. We're gonna add our spaghetti. What spaghetti he said to use is thin or capelli spaghetti. So let's add some salt. So he says to get 2 or 3 leaves of basils and cut them up, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pack them together like he said because you want to chop them up all together.
Togliamo tutto quello che è l'aglio.
Let's take out all the garlic parts.
Perché è bello mangiarla che sia.
Okay, so the pasta is gonna undercook by 2 or 3 minutes, and it's gonna finish cooking in the sauce. We're gonna add a little bit of pasta water into the sauce, so I think that's good.
Scoliamo la pasta.
We're gonna let the pasta finish cooking in the sauce. This dish is actually very simple. It's just reduced tomato sauce and garlic and basil. Now we're gonna put it on the dish and try it out. Normally you would put the roasted tomatoes for decoration, but we're not gonna do that. But we are gonna put the basil garnish on top. So doesn't that look good? It just smells good. It's gonna taste great. So this is good. You would definitely want to try this. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hopefully you guys can make this dish. It's very easy, and I'll see you in the next one.